guys, it's Allen Orchid. At ngayong video na to, ay nag-enjoy ako. Oo. So, kasama ko pala si Josh Animation, guys. Because he said he's too bored. Right, Josh? Okay, guys. So, Josh is here. Kasama natin ngayon. So, si Josh. Sorry, guys, dahil Englishero si Josh. Di siya marunong mag-Tagalog, Josh. Hi, guys. Yeah, Josh. Say hello to the vlog. Si Josh addict siya sa Hasbin Hotel. Hindi naman siya naman.
Hindi talaga.
Ouch! English. Bro. Tadsi is so... Tadsi is so good.
Tadsi talaga.
Yes. Sabi ko yung apo ko, oh, okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye! What's wrong with Tadsi?